If you're planning to sell your iPhone or give it to someone else, it's very important to erase all your data properly. In this video, I'll walk you through the correct steps to safely reset your iPhone before selling it. First, before deleting anything, make sure you back up your data. This step is important so you don't lose your photos, contacts, apps, and other important information. To do that, open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top. Then go to iCloud and tap on iCloud Backup. Now tap Backup Now and wait for the process to finish. This will save all your data to iCloud so you can restore it later on a new iPhone. If you do not have enough iCloud storage, it is better to back up all your data to a Mac or computer using iTunes, which will create a full copy of your current iPhone that you can restore to your new device. Once your backup is complete, the next important step is to sign out of your Apple ID. A lot of people skip this, but it's very important. If you don't sign out, the iPhone will still be linked to your account through activation lock, and the next user won't be able to set it up. To sign out, go back to the main settings screen. Tap your name again. Scroll all the way down and tap Sign Out. From here, tap on Erase this iPhone and enter your Apple ID password and confirm. After signing out, your iPhone will begin erasing all data, including apps, photos, contacts, messages, and personal information. This process will also make sure Find My is turned off and the device is no longer linked to your Apple ID. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone will restart and show the welcome screen just like a brand new device. At this point, your iPhone is completely wiped and ready to be sold or given to someone else. That's how you can safely back up your data and erase your iPhone before selling it. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.